Ready?
Just when I thought it would be safe, you came in through the door with your baggage of trouble and that look of despair. It was July, and I was now sleeping in June. The skies were heavy with rain. You were looking to damage more than to repair. It had been over, but not done. There were still sparks in the air. You were thinking of closure, but acted like you still wanted to part. You were deceptively beautiful, with an above-average temper, made of German steel, and uncannily smart. I tried reasoning with her heart and then with her head, but I only got anger in return, along with that dismissive stare. If I had known that June was her sister, I tried in vain to explain. I would have found a safe haven and ditched the pair.